Hello, my name is Charles Cranier. The title of my presentation is called The Necessity of a Student-Centered Approach to Mathematics. The 6 points that I will make is number 1, the rally cry, number 2, the goal, number 3, the problem, number 4, the team, number 5, the blended learning approach, and number 6, the solution. The first point, the rally cry. I am crying out for a revolution in the mindset, in the approach of mathematics at Grandview High School. Moving from a traditional math curriculum or math classroom where only algorithms, procedures, and formulas are emphasized, and moving into a more of a 21st century classroom where it is problem-based instruction. Within this classroom, students will discover and explore key concepts. The teacher will not just tell the students what the algorithms or what the formulas are. The students will discover them. And second, the students will talk in class about the math and not be disciplined for talking in regards to math and problem solving. The second point is the goal for the necessity of student-centered approach to mathematics. The goal or the rationale is that we want to transform the classroom where students are thinking mathematically through a problem-based approach or through a problem-based instruction. Number 3, the problem. The problem in my classroom is that the students are bored, they're disinterested and apathetic of mathematical algorithms and procedural computation, which is rooted in taking math benchmarks. The math benchmarks at our school consist of 90% of summative assessments, 70% in regards to just the summative quizzes, and the 20% based off of unit scrimmages or unit tests. Number 4, the team that we need to generate in order to see the necessity of a student-centered approach to mathematics. The team, which would operate functionally, will consist of 5 players or 5 teachers. The first one would be the assistant superintendent of instruction and curriculum. This person will be the lead person. This person's emphasis will be to empower change and a culture of change and transformation within the Grandview High School Mathematics program, K through 12. The second person, and not in any particular order, will be the director of curriculum and instruction. This key person will align the team with best practices for problem-based instruction. The third team member will be the math chairman. The math chairman will be used to systematically change the mindset of the team members and the approach to take in regards to changing how we do math at the high school. Number 4 will be the team player, the math, somebody in the math department, and they will sample that curriculum in their classroom in hopes of having students elicit thinking and problem-solving strategies and math conversation. And the last person on the team will be our math consultant. The math consultant will train and equip the team to function and to put this problem-based instruction within our classrooms. Number 5 is the blended learning approach. We want to incorporate a blending learning approach within the student-centered approach to mathematics. Within the blended learning approach, there are several models that we have discussed and we have learned about in our course. The approach that I will focus on will be a rotational model. And within that rotational model, specifically we want to look at a station model where the students, after discovering and exploring key concepts in the mathematics, they will rotate in 3 stations, and the first station will be an extension to the problem-based instruction will be the practice problems. The students will gather in their respective groups and they will choose one of the 3 options, which is practice problems. It will be a cool down, formative assessment where the students can get online either with Google Forms, Socrative, or quizzes. And the third station that the students will participate in is an EOC, end of course exam, or an ACT prep tutorial. And the last station will be number 6, which is the solution, the significant solution for this problem. Again, the problem that we have at the high school is that the students are bored, they're disinterested, and they're apathetic of the mathematical algorithms and procedures. So the problem that we want to solve is that our district has been benchmarking the students K to 12 over the last 10 years. We have seen a significant drop in scores each year for the advanced and the proficient students. Each of the cohorts decrease in the state scores on the exams, whether it's the MAP or the EOC, and the students don't see the connection to the mathematics, and they have little, because they don't have the connection or the interest level, they have little motivation, enthusiasm, and joy for mathematics itself. We believe that the problem that is occurring is based off our curriculum. Changing the curriculum or changing how we present the material in a more of a problem-based instruction approach will solve some of the apathy, the boredom, and the connectedness with the math to the students. Therefore, we want to adopt a new approach at Grandview High School that is, again, problem-based. I believe that there needs to be a fresh impact on student learning and achievement. I also believe that the attitudes and the beliefs about math and math learning needs to be cultivated. And I also believe that the students should be knowledgeable in their conceptual understanding, their procedural fluency, and the application. All of these components of knowledge should be interconnected. Again, this is the end of the presentation. The necessity of a student-centered approach to mathematics that is problem-based instead of benchmark. Thank you for listening.